Guys, hello and welcome to Liberia TV Network. Today is December 28, 2024. So, just to let you know, we are right here in Freetown and we are on Abadi Street. So, we're trying to actually bring you the view of Abadi. Abadi is one of the cities, one of the streets in Freetown that is actually, cool, fine. And this particular spot definitely have beaches. This is where all of the cool goodies definitely happens in Freetown. People come to amuse themselves. You have series of good nightclubs. You have hotels. You have a lot of things happening, and especially when you come here in the night hour, you just feel that you think that probably you are in London or you are in the UK. Say you are in America or you are in any part of the world that is really really beautiful. So this is Freetown again. Do you want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening? I'm Princess Katie Kappa coming to you live at this hour. You can like, share, and comment on our Facebook and YouTube channel. So again, like we said, we can be anywhere at any point in time to definitely bring you all of the major happening to showcase you what we do. This is what we love. That is one of the reasons why, even if we are in the US, we're in the UK or any part of the world, definitely we stay there to definitely bring you all of the major happenings. We showcase you beautiful places. So this morning we are right here on Abadi Beach, and we're gonna bring you all of the major breaking happenings in the country. So the issue about what is ongoing at the legislature is really really alarming. So the deputy controller, Mr. Hillary, he has been actually indicted by the current speaker, Honorable J. Richard Cohn, for actually, carry on some corruption allegation. It has been alleged that since he's been serving as the president for the Pinsville SC, him being the deputy director, Mr. Deputy Controller, what he did was he went and actually placed footballer names on payroll who were not actually, legitimate workers, for the Honorable House of Representatives. So currently, as we speak, they say an investigation is currently ongoing, and after the investigation, a lot of things will be done. And also, we also been told that one of Liberia's finest and good intellectual as well, and also he's a journalist. They call him James Woodway. Flomo, currently he is in Europe, pursuing his master's. So he also came up with this session that, after investigating, he outlined some names that Honorable Richard Cohn also has a few people on the payroll of the House of Representatives who is Erasing Cohn and Charles King. They are also part of the Honorable House of Representatives, payroll. So it has raised a series of alarm. Is it that Honorable Richard Cohn is coming to actually rescue the House of Representatives to actually lead with example, or because he has some surface degree or whatsoever the case might be? But these are things that actually people are raising concern about. These are things that are happening, and many are actually raising concern, saying that no, this is not what the rescue mission is actually is meant for. And people are saying that this needs to be done, XYZ needs to be done. But then the saga at the House of Representatives still continues. We are hoping, or we still like trying to see as to whom will actually be victorious, because a few more days from now we'll be into the new year, we'll be into January, and many things gonna actually happen. The president will be coming out with a sooner, and as we speak, the majority bloc is no longer having section at the House of Representative, but they are now having the session at the MCC, which is the Mora City Corporation hall, where India having their separate section. But also that is legitimate. The law gave that oh yes indeed, the guys can actually decide as to where, when, how they can actually have their section. So it is also legitimate. It is not out of the law, but we're just trying to provide you update as to what is exactly going on. And this one say Kalasco ride. So Honorable Kalasco, who served as the former presidential aide to President George Weah, right this morning, saying that he's going to take the Liberian government to court with the fact that his right was actually denied, his right was violated because him being a peaceful citizen and then actually marching into marching into trying to join the concerned citizen to actually vet out what they actually intend as unjust and XYZ. And then he was arrested, incarcerated, and so many things was done inside. He's going to take the Liberian government to court. But let's wait and see what happened next. If he takes the Liberian government to court, what will definitely happen, we don't really yet know. But this is exactly what's happening. Honorable Kalasco, after incarceration, he spent like 2 days, 2 nights at the Moro Central Prison. And immediately upon his release, he purchased a few things for the Central Prison, 2 flash screen TV, and then carry it to the Central Prison. So these are major happenings as well. And also, Honorable Kabineh Janeh, former Chief Justice of the Republic of Liberia, currently, many people are raising concern. Why is it that Honorable Janeh is gradually going against his own government he actually brought to the presidency? Is it that the presidency they are now going apart, or is it that things are not just good, or what is actually happening? So many are raising concern with regards to what is ongoing. Again, before proceeding, let me just let you know. So this is Pierre Hotel. This hotel is one of the good hotels in Freetown as well. We are not doing any commercial for them, but just in case you want to come to Freetown, you want to come and have some good time and other things, I would actually recommend that. The Abadi Inn is actually cool. This is the beach. You have a lot of good things happening here. This place just looks like Congo Tambaro. If you know Congo Tambaro in Monrovia, definitely this is how this place also looks like. You have some good nice view, the air, fresh air, and so many things are actually being done here. But then let's go back to what we were saying. So Kabineh Janeh and others are saying that he said that the passage of the 2025 budget is illegal. It wasn't actually cool. It wasn't in line with a proper law proceeding. Therefore, he's gonna join so many lawyers. He's gonna put some guys together to take the government to court. So the process is gonna start as soon as possible. So these were things coming from Honorable Kabineh Janeh. One-time ally to President Boakai. Very cool, very nice, but everyone currently thinking now as to what is happening to the presidency, or what is happening between Honorable Kabineh Janeh and the president. Is it that because President Boakai has not yet appointed, these are a session coming from people from across Liberia, that Honorable Janeh is not to actually go against the government. And this one say, in Lofa County, LDA forwarded to court 2 individuals, and the court have sentenced them to prison. Joshua Nebobo, a 19 years old, was sentenced to 10 years in prison, and you have M. Colley, who is 42 years. He was also sentenced to 1 year in prison. So, because of drugs activities, let's look at a few things. When President Boakai came to the presidency, he said that he's gonna fight drugs, just gonna be his worst enemy, and a lot of things was said. So, based on that, he said nothing regarding drugs gonna actually, be unturned or undone. Everything regarding drugs gonna actually be done properly. So, and since then, the Sierra Leone border between Liberia and Sierra Leone has been one of the key entrance points with regards to drugs. But then we also been told that these guys really been working. A lot of things have been happening, and so many things have been done from across, the point. But then the president, since his pronouncement regards to the fight against drugs, many things has happened. So 2 young individuals have been sentenced to prison, one 10 years and one 1 year, the 19 years or so. Imagine 10 years out to 19, you definitely know it's really, really, really sorrowful. So he's gonna spend like a portion of his youth portion of the youth age in prison. And what happens if he goes to prison? Is there any rehabilitation center? Is there anything that we definitely make him to work properly or not? But these are questions that we need to ask properly, and these are things that the government needs to look at, because if you place someone into prison, definitely he or she definitely needs to be there to actually gravitate from what they were doing to something better. And this one say LMP sent to court bail Jala, 38 years old, who murdered Princess Zor. So this is really sorrowful. We say again, Princess, may your soul rest in perpetual peace. This wasn't actually meant to be done, but it is the will of God. 13 years old boy, 13 years old boy, 13 years old boy was unexpectedly shoot doing a tour in Grangeda County. Her name is Janeh. And this one say Axel Jackson called for Baptist Church to strike President Bouakai of the deacon title. Why? We don't know, but this is what coming from Axel Jackson saying that President Bouakai is not actually proceeding well. President Bouakai is this, President Bouakai is that. So guys, again, I'm Princess KD Kopo coming to you live. We want to say thank you for following this platform. I'm Princess KD Kopo. You can like, share, and comment on our Facebook and YouTube channel. Thank you.